This is the Better Homes and Gardens Brookbury 5-piece sectional. Got it from Walmart delivery. The box is in kind of beat up shape a little bit, but that's okay. So we're gonna open this up here and see what we got. Oh. It's the covers. It's a cushion. Alright, let's start sorting some of this stuff out. Alright, well, continuing, I've got it completely unboxed now, but I have discovered that in the box there was no hardware to put the item together. So I don't have any of the screws needed to assemble the furniture, which, as you can imagine, is slightly frustrating. I've tried to call customer service a bunch of times and nobody's answering. When you go to leave a voicemail, their mailbox is full, which is not a promising turn of events. But I've sent off an email. Hopefully I will hear back soon. And if I don't, well, I guess we'll just figure something else out. So that is that for now. Okay. Alright, so this is the set put together. The hardware came today via UPS, so not super fast, but not super slow either. I'm glad it finally got done. Cody, what do you think of the stuff out here? The furniture, you like it? You approve? You comfy? It's so windy out of day. What did you say? 9 out of 10? 10 out of 10, alright. 100 out of a 10, that's a lot. I think we need to work on our ratios. This is the Better Homes and Gardens 5-piece dining sectional. Once the hardware pieces came in, it only took me about an hour or so. The longest piece was the one-armed couch, because you have to attach this arm to this base, and then the back here, this, to the base also. And then I'm going to keep it as just 2 separate couches. I don't know if you can see here. This is the connector part where the sectional is actually supposed to go together. It's a little dark. That little screw just goes in that little slot down there, and that would secure the 2 together. The 2 ottomans, they fit directly underneath the table for storage. And then it comes with a little ratchet set for all the screws, which is this little piece here. But I just used my little mini screwdriver here. And it comes with the correct Allen key hex bolt thing. So overall, I was disappointed when I first got it because it didn't have all the pieces. But now that we do have it, it's nice and comfy, and I'm ready to take a nap on it. So if you have any questions or anything, go ahead and drop them in the bottom.